All right, so Steve and I are in the parking deck here at the radio station with behind us 60 CDs with no emotional attachment whatsoever do I have to those CDs. And Brandi to my right, Steve, is in the mini monster truck grave digger that the good folks at Monster Jam gave us.
So what's going to happen is we have CDs. These are Bailey's jams. So we're running over his jams. This is a jewel case. It's up under the tire. She runs it over, it all crushes it. That's 1 point. You've got 60 possible CDs. How many can she run over under the direction of Nikki D, blindfolded, in 1 minute?
1 minute is the time frame for everybody that qualified for Monster Jam tickets. Now, you want to see the layout now that Brandi's blindfolded? Come over here.
Got to tell you, I worked pretty hard on the layout. Kind of kept her off the wall. We're using a handicap spot, but keep in mind, there is no handicapped people here right now.
Look, Steve, there's a picture of you and me on the wall.
That's us. That's me and Bailey in our chairs.
So we got a little Marcy Playground. Oh, what a great CD. LFO. Hey, Mudvayne. That's a great album.
Vertical Horizon is right over here. I don't know that I'm for that.
In Sync. There's Hootie, Ricky Martin.
Lincoln Park. Haven't they been through enough?
Genesis. I'm going to keep time. So on my count of 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1.
We go on one.
Like, 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. We'll start at the white line. So when Brandi gets up enough speed to get to that white line, 60 CDs. How many will she crush? Who will win this awesome mini monster truck? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Was that scary? Did you break it?
No, we're good. Yeah, maybe a little.
We're good.
Okay, this one will have to be used out on the dirt.
This was so scary.
Wow. We got some damage. Are you okay?
Okay, Steve, so the Bailey and Southside Mini Monster Truck Monster Jam Big Grand Finale prize. How many CDs out of 60 did a blindfolded Brandi, being GPS by intern Nikki D, how many did she crush?
She almost hit me too, man. I'm a little messed up.
You okay?
I'm all right. I'm all right.
Let's count them. Come on. We've got
1.
Bare Naked Ladies.
This one. 2. What is that?
Edwin McCain. Here, in sync.
3.
That was real.
4 was Simply Red.
Simply Red 4.
5.
Hootie.
Hootie.
Shaggy. Oh no. 6. You did a horrible job, Brandi.
It's really hard to drive blind.
Are you kidding me? You only ran over 6 CDs?
6 CDs.
Did you count that one?
No, hold on. Lincoln Park. 7.
7. The number is 7.
Out of 60 CDs in a very small area, she only ran over 7 effing CDs.
Saddest thing I've ever seen.
It's harder than it looks.
Bring it.
Game over.